So here is a quick video for you showing you the grid that I created for the winter solstice. It's on a planetary cloth. So there's these planets, and you see it was like the energy was coming into the earth. So we're gaining all this cosmic knowledge. And so I've placed various crystals on the other planets and on the lines leading to the earth, which is just being highlighted by the afternoon sun there underneath here, which has in the center an eye of the storm heart resting on an ancestralite heart, and around it are the crystals that are collecting the energies of the grid, and the bags are as I'm putting people's names in them. So we have merlinite wand, we have clear quartz, we have selenite. In the four corners there were 4 pieces of Russian ice quartz, which are surprisingly stabilizing but also bring huge amount of clarity. A UK selenite butterfly shape transformation, rose quartz sphere surrounded by 4 chrome dioxides, which is very, very good for heart healing. Very practical, linking with Saturn on a metal nut as a base and support. One of my favourite skulls that's always popping up in healings, helping quite often to release negative thought patterns with all the crystals coming out the top. And based on the top, rested on the top, you can see a crystal, and that is a charoite. And around, it's hard to see with all the crystals here, but around the earth I placed a Merkaba shape, which was created with 3 manganocalcites and 3 charoites. There's also, this is a raven skull, which is Gochin obsidian. Feathers to represent bringing in birds and air energy. My star being, this is a, I think that is one of the forest crystals. Huge piece of kyanite, blue kyanite in a quartz matrix, which is coming up very yellow in the camera, but it's not. Another rose quartz, this time in a small skull. This is a piece that was gifted me from Vancouver Island, golden herkimer. This is a Shangan amethyst, which is a higher vibration than the Brandenburgs. Judy and I were investigating those just before she passed. This was bringing in sacred geometry. Again, that's a piece of the Russian ice quartz. A piece of menelite. This is a very feminine piece, I feel, as well as menelite is, but there's something about this one. I always get a sort of geisha sort of energy. A piece of anandalite, a real rosette piece, together with a piece of black amber, another feather there. You can I've written quite a lot about how these two work together to clear the aura and protect it as well. Bringing in the fairy kingdom, the fae. And that is a metallic piece, a little mini dragon. Oh, that's really jumping around. That's interesting. I don't know. And it's interesting how it's reflecting colours on its forehead. But it is. He doesn't want to be focused on, does he? I'll move away. I think it's a he. A pyrite dragon. And here in front of me, a natural piece of astrophyllite, a mended piece, so a strengthened warrior piece of wind fossil agate, blue lace agate, merkaba, ernemite on a silver edged plate here, and then my Mangano calcite mended dragon, which again is an empathetic dragon. And there's another piece of forest quartz there, which is very releasing. It works in a similar way to garden quartz, chlorite quartz. It's got actinolite in it. And the shape was releasing out. So I hope you enjoy that little tour around and the energies of this grid.